Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix a restricted Roblox account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've recently enabled the account restriction on your Roblox account, then it will lock your account's contact settings that no other user will be able to send message or chat in the app or the account. If you want to disable the account restriction or simply fix the account restriction for Roblox, then simply open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in roblox.com and make sure to log into your account like you normally do. Once you are logged into your Roblox account, from the main home page, go and click on the settings button or the gear button at the top right hand corner. From the pop-up, click settings. Once you open up my settings, on the next page, click on this privacy tab and you'll be able to see account restrictions option at the top. If you've enabled account restriction on your Roblox account, then simply disable this toggle button right next to the option in order to fix account restriction on Roblox. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.